Hi everybody! Not a long time ago, I was talking to some of you guys on Twitch and promised to make a mini lathe from a motor that we've seen on the vlogs channel. And by the way, the motor is pretty cool. It operates either on 12 or 24 volts. It comes with a wrench, a chuck and even mountings. Apart from the motor, we will also need 3 wooden blocks. Initially, I wanted to make wooden guideways, but later I decided to use a steel pole, because it's more reliable. First of all, let us drill a through hole that will fit the diameter of the steel pole. Now we will drill 2 more midway holes of the same diameter in the front and the middle wood blocks. The next steps are probably the most interesting, because now we are starting to put it all together. Let us place the front wood block right in the middle. Now we need to push the steel pole through the hole of the back wood block. Insert one end of the steel pole into the front wood block and the other end into the back one. Now let us fix the motor to the front one. We will do it nice and fast, because we have all the screws and mountings needed. We insert the drill bits into the chuck, then solder the power supply and drill a hole to find the middle point. Now let us take a screw of a suitable length and drive it through the block to check the midpoints of the tailstock. As we see, it's a perfect match. We can make such a pin from a nail or just use a specialized drill bit. By the way, you can make one yourself. Just cut off the cap off of a screw and solder a small washer to it. Now let us place a clamping collar, so we'll be able to attach blanks of different sizes, and for the tailstock to stay in place. So finally our lathe is almost ready. We just need to fix the front wood block. Push the back wood block into place, tighten the clamping collar and drive the screw. Unfortunately, I didn't have some materials to make a normal adjustable tailstock. So I will show you how we made it in a different video, where I'll be operating the mini lathe. So, as always, don't forget to click the thumbs up and subscribe to my Twitch, yeah, Twitch. But that's it for today, see you in the next one. Did you know? The oldest tree in the world grows in Sweden, the roots to be exact, which are about 9 centuries old.